Product customization is an important subject, but we need to define the framework, what is really needed.
Thank you very much for this question, Patrick. So for example, the sensor has been selected. Now I have a special connector and I like to add this connector to the sensor cable.
Yes, this is something we can do. This is one example of a connector, but of course we can, here are four other examples for connectors. We can connect this or attach it, but important is also the labeling and where the connector needs to be placed. So what length is the cable? And for the labeling, where is the labeling and what has to be marked? This all needs to be defined and we can do this.
Okay, I understand. But what is with the packaging after the final construction is done and the mass production ramp up? So the packaging is also a thing.
Right, packaging is important. So we offer different possibilities or options. One is something like you see here. So in this packaging, we can add different products. For example, you have a fan or the sensor, which is set the way you need, and relays, or it can be a power supply or a PLC in the same box. That's one option. The other option, you have in the sub box multiple times the same sensor, so you open only one box and this saves time in your production.
Okay, this is an additional question from my side. Panasonic have also PLCs, displays, motors, fans. Can you create a kind of bundle solution with a pre-programmed PLC, for example?
Yes, we can pre-program the PLC, so it's delivered with the program, and also the sensor can be preset or pre-programmed. Like this one, it's a program that need to be installed or set, but it can be also a mechanical setting where you set the right distance with a screwdriver, then we put some lock on it, which assures that the settings will not be modified afterwards.
Sounds good. May I ask you a last question? Can you assume, for example, CE conformity and maybe also the UKCA?
Yes, UKCA. We have some time left until the end of the year, but of course we already take care of it, and CE is a must. All our products have CE marking.
Thank you very much, Patrick.
You're welcome.
Panasonic Industry.